What's going on, you guys? So we're back with another detailing video. My last video, the started my own detailing business, that video got a good amount of views. I decided to make another YouTube video, continue it, and now we're going to be extracting the seats. Ignore the ice cream man, but this is what it's called. I got my light out because you can barely see outside. It's the Bissell Spot Clean Pro. We will be reviewing it right now. You guys see all of the spots on my seats, and then on that the little yellow strips right there, super dirty up here. It's pretty good, so I'm just gonna work on down here, get all this back to being new. You see that? I've already done a couple cars with this spot clean and it is worked out great. It comes with two attachments. This one is a small one. I'm using the small one right now, but it comes with the big one as well. But you just fill it up with water and with the formula if you want, but I just got it filled up with hot water. And I'm going to be using, I got Meguiar's APC diluted right here, and then with the hot water got my drill brush that we'll be using to spread around and agitate the APC onto it and then extract. You guys will see that all right now and see the results. All that. So we're gonna go ahead get into that right now. So what you want to do is, I already vacuumed it. You're gonna want to vacuum, get all the extra stuff that you don't want, and then go ahead spray it. And then you don't even need a drill brush. I'm using a drill brush just to save me time and energy, but you could use a regular brush. So I got my drill brush. I'm gonna switch hands though to my right. All right, well, this is a lot better. Go ahead and turn it off. So sorry for that, you guys. I'm gonna figure that out. I haven't done this side. You guys could see it way better here, but it's super dark. So we're gonna go ahead, make that change. This is already looking 10 times better from before. Let's go ahead and start working on that. So same thing, get your APC by Meguiar's or by anyone. I'll link everything down in the description too. Yeah, so just spray it. Look at that. Look, come on. I'm not getting paid by Meguiar's to set it up either. They've got a really good product. Okay, and then easily press the red button. Press this button down here to squirt out the water. I like going by it twice so it soaks up all the water. Then get your microfiber. Go ahead, dry a little bit. Just scrub just to, because the seats are going to be left wet because you are using water. So look at that, 100 times better. Look at the front, amazing. Overall, that was a quick little review of how it works and everything. Again, just hot water. You don't have to use the formula. I think it's just a waste of money. Just use Meguiar's APC and just a brush, you're good to go. This is easily take it off. This is all the dirty water where it comes out. Great product. I'll link it down below. I'm gonna use a Amazon affiliate, so I do get a percentage, so I really appreciate it if you guys go ahead and purchase it from the link down below. The price does stay the same. It's just the weight of me getting a little percentage. Let me show you guys. Look, this was just from my seats right now. So you take out the tank, right? It's simple. You just take it out, super easy. And then this thing, I was even like figuring out how to dump it out. I was super dumb. I was just kept spilling it out from here, but then my friend told me you could easily just push that handle to the back, and this easily simply comes off, super easier. And you guys would see how disgusting this thing is right now. very good product. I'm not saying that just because you guys seen it work very well. My next video will be up. I'm gonna work on a car tomorrow, and this video is gonna be up before that next video. So, but yeah, that video, I'm gonna post this one before my other video, and before I post, well, I'm making it too complicated, but long story short, you guys will see a deep interior clean with this, but it works fantastic. It speaks for itself. You guys will see the video. Deep interior coming soon. It's gonna be super dirty and a whole transformation, but as you guys seen here, it worked very well on just the seats. Hopefully it picked up on this camera, because I had to switch to my iPhone because this camera didn't want to work on me. So or I just don't know how to work it. But thank you guys so much for watching again. Everything will be down below, the Meguiar's and the drill brush, along with the Bissell Spot Clean Pro, the Extractor, will be all down below. I'll even link the regular vacuum I use. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Follow me on Instagram, Front Yard Detail, all together. It'll be linked down below as well. And if you guys like this video, like, comment, and tell me what you guys want to see next, how I do my stuff. I'm gonna like start posting a lot more, because I know there's a lot of people who like detailing stuff. And yeah, it's just popping on my channel lately, so I'm gonna start doing a lot more of these videos. And stay tuned for the extraction video coming super soon. Getting filmed tomorrow. It's gonna be up after this video, so yeah, I'm hopefully gonna be posting this video very soon. But stay tuned for that extraction video. It's gonna be insane. And yeah, turn on post notifications, leave comments, subscribe, all that good stuff. Road to 1K. Hopefully by the end of this month I'll reach that. It's gonna be a tough goal because I haven't been growing, but we'll give it a shot, man. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I appreciate you guys, and really am. Busting out another video tomorrow, and the day after that, I just finished my school, so dedicated to this. Let's do it. Road to 1K. Thank you guys so much for watching.